Right. Okay. Good evening, students. Good evening.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening,
Right. Okay.
Miss.
I think I am audible to you all. Right. So, is it okay to start the session? Right. There are 50 students are available. Right. So, I think we can start the session since we wait some minutes until others join to the session. Right. So, okay. Today we're going to discuss about the rest of the part from the today's session, right? Yesterday we discussed about the internet and about the internet applications, right? So under the internet applications, we identify about the AI usage of the internet, right? And we stopped from the ChatGPT and the another application called Gamma, right? I want to discuss more thing about the Gamma, right? Did you try with the Gamma? Did you try with the Gamma software?
No, madam.
No. Right, okay. Let's try with that one, right? From today, right? So it will help you to create your presentations, right? If you want, right? So that kind of softwares are created with the support of AI technology, right? Like ChatGPT. ChatGPT is only a text generator. It's not going to create any images or such kind of graphs, right? Diagrams like that. It can't generate that kind of things, right? But when it's come to the Gamma, right? We can pronounce it from your ways, right? GAMMA, right? Boys, you can pronounce it as a gamma, right? Likewise, any words, right? You can pronounce it using any words, right? I'm pronounce it using gamma, right? So it's an applications, AI applications, which is going to get the support of internet, right? So here this kind of interface will provided by the Gamma, right? Easily you can create your presentations. The only thing is you need to assist this AI tool, right, according to your requirements, right? Otherwise it will not going to generate a perfect presentation to you, right? So it's a free software, right? You no need to pay to that service, right? So simply you can click on create new option, right? And then you should click on the generate option here, right? It will suggest what you're going to create for today, right? Presentation or document or web page, right? All right, okay, I will repeat it again, right? Let's go back, right? You should search name called Gamma, right? It's AI tool. Right. It's a free software, right? It's going to give the service without getting any payment, right? So you can use this software to create and generate your PPTs, documents, and web content as well, right? So simply you can click on the create new option, right? It will suggest two methods, generate or text transform, right? So I'm trying with the generate option, right? From up to now, right? So you can sign in easily using your Google account, right? That's why it's not appear here. Already I am signing to this software, right? That's why it's not appear here, right? If you're going to sign into the Gamma, right? As a beginner, first you should have a Gmail account, right? Or otherwise you have to create your own account, right? If you have your own Gmail account, simply you can sign up with the support of Google account, right? Simply click on the sign in with the Google account option. Clear, right? Okay, then easily you can log into the this AI tool, right? It will suggest under the generate option, presentation, document, and web page, right? Here I'm going to try up with the presentation option, right? So you can select it, it will ask this kind of question to type a topic in any language, right? You can use any language to give the topic, right? But still I am not try with the Sinhala, right? So you guys can try with different languages, right? So here you can give the presentation title here, right? Simply, let's say like this, right? Likewise, you can give your subtopics here, right? Introduction, right? Then number 2 as likewise, right? So guys, you can keep your suggestion and your presentation titles here. Cannot log in, right? What's the error? Right. Okay, it's better. You can try with myself, right? So confirm your email address, right? Please click on open Gmail option here. Right. It's already sent you an email, Pita, right? To this email address, right? Please check your Gmail account. Then you will get an email from this Gamma, right? Then simply click on that link, right? Then you will be log into the system. Right, okay, right. Right. It's like this, you can assist this AI to process your PPT, then simply press enter, right? It will suggest again about the outline of your presentation like this, right? If it is okay, you can continue. Otherwise, you can add other more topics here, right? Then you can click on the continue option, right? It will create your presentation, right? This is the theme view, right? If you are okay with this theme, right? So you can click on the continue option. Think this is an AI text generator. It will generate so many things under the relevant subtopics, right? You should get these feature from the internet with the support of internet, and then please recheck and rearrange whether these are okay or not, right? And it's since this is an AI text generator, it will going to generate each and everything which are available on the internet, and it's going to search them and then get into the slides like that, right? So please, you can use this software, right? Based on your opinions, right? The main thing is don't depend on this kind of features only, right? Please recheck and go through the presentation slide content and rearrange them according to the your aspects, right? Right, okay. Right, Puta. Then give your first name and the last name, right? First name, last name දෙන්න. ඊට පස්සේ ඔයාලට පුළුවන් ඊළඟ step එක. මම log වුණේ Gmail account එකෙන්. So I'm not follow this kind of steps, right? So please send me any screenshot, right? If you get any other steps after filling this information, right? Okay, right. Then guys, your PPT is already created, right? You can change the theme, right? By clicking on these themes, right? Or otherwise, you can scroll down to get more themes for your presentation, right? Select it and click on done option. You can see theme will be changed according to your selected theme, right? As well as you can customize your presentation, right? If you want to edit the image, simply you can go to select the slide and then you can search your images from web, right? So you can change, or otherwise it's going to suggest some pictures here. Simply you can click on one of them, right? And then click on done option, or otherwise you can search them through the internet, right? So then, and here also there are some options are available. You can change the side of the image appearance, right? And then you can add backdrop here, right? So there are so many features, right? If you are free time, if you have a free time, please try up with these features, right? Then, right, okay. Then there is another 3-dotted line here, right, in this same interface. Simply you can click on the export option to download this PPT, right? Once you click on the export, you can export it as the PDF or otherwise the PowerPoint. If you want to make this get this one as the PPT, simply click on the export PDF, right?
Ma'am,
Yes.
this type of website legal or not?
It is legal, Puta, right?
Okay, ma'am.
The thing is, right, you can use them, but Turnitin going to check each and every AI text generating documents, right? If we going to check the plagiarism with the support of Turnitin, right, it can now it's updated to track AI text generator documents, right? So the reason is you can use these kind of softwares, right? There is no any barriers, so there is no any legal issues. The major thing is, right, you can get this support for your purposes, right? But base thing is, again, you should go through these kind of automatically generated texts, right? The reason is they will arrange your presentation according to their purpose, right? And then ඔයාලට පේන්න ඇති මේ PPT එක generate වෙද්දි එයාම automatically details generate කරනවා සහ එයාලා use කරන වචන, right? මේ හැම දෙයක්ම ඔයගොල්ලෝ ඔයාලා මේ වගේ idea එක විතරයි ගන්න ඕන නැති support එක, right? Then you should create your own presentation again, right? Otherwise we can catch, if you get this as it is, then easily we can track it as a AI text generated document, right? Okay. Right, another issue. You can select one of the answer from these 3, Puta, right? If you are work, you can select for work, or school, you can select it, right? Since it's the beta version, right, it's going to work as the trial version, right? So that's why it's asking this kind of information, right? Okay. Right. Okay. Then you can find this document from this downloaded icon, right? I have double click on that one, so that's why it's download again and again. So then you can you see my screen? Yes or no?
Yes, madam.
All right, okay. Here, you can click on this one and then simply you can double click on this presentation. Yes, it's okay, Buddha. You can tick on any other answer, right? From for as a work or school or any kind of thing, you can select, right? Then please enable editing option, right? Right. You can see your presentation is created like this. And you can change the images, right? You can change the text. You can arrange these presentation slides according to your purpose, right? So is it clear for you? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Right, okay. Then අපේ account එක දැන් generate කරන් යන පුතා. Are you okay? All right, now it's okay, Buddha. Now you can try with this application, right? Right, okay. So then these are the things under the AI text generating tools I want to teach you, right? Guys, you can search these things through the internet. Each and everything's now available on the internet. You can search them and then get the idea, right? Okay, then get idea about how they are work, right? You can practice them through the internet with the support of this internet features, right? So you can do each and everything that you want to do in the day-to-day life, right? So these are the applications. Otherwise, then you can get the fax machine or the fax facility with the support of internet, and you can listen to the music and you can see some videos through the internet, right? So these kind of things you can do with the support of this global network, right? Okay, then these are the things that I want to teach you under the internet application, right? Then let's move into the email part, right? So under the email application, right? I want to check whether, guys, do you have any email account? It can be a Gmail or it can be a Yahoo or it can be a Hotmail account, right? Do you have any kind of email account with you? Yes or no?
Yes, madam.
Yes, right? I think most of you having that, right? Otherwise, you can't use your mobile phone or your laptop or your tablet, right? Without any Gmail account, right? Or Yahoo account, right? You can't use your electronic devices, right? So first thing is, once you buy a computer or the mobile phone, you should create your own email account to use these applications, right? The major thing is first you should sign into your machine, right? Then you can use the Google services or other kind of any corporation services, right? Okay, then here, if you want to create an Gmail account, right? So simply you can search with the support of your web browser, create an Gmail account, right? Then go to your Gmail account and click on the create a Gmail account, right? So Gmail will support you to and show you to what is the way of creating the Gmail account, and simply you can click on the create an account option here, right? You can follow the procedure by click on the next option, right? What happen if you're going to join or the login into the new machine using your email address? What happened? Is there anyone who try to log in into the another machine using your email account? Right? Can you do that easily? Do you have that experience?
No, madam.
No. Are there
Yeah.
anyone? Is there anyone who trying to log into the another machine using your email address?
I try, madam, but it's not easy.
Right. Okay. Why? What happened?
The security problem.
Right. The reason is Google now following the two-step verification method, right? Two-step verification methods means once you following the creating Gmail account, it's going to ask about your mobile number, right? It's going to get your mobile number, and once you're going to log into the another machine using your email address, right? It's going to check whether about your authority, right? That means your privacy. It's going to secure your privacy with the support of this two-step verification method, right? Okay. Here I can't show you that one. The reason is okay, I have no any other Gmail account to log into this device, right? Otherwise, I can show you how to. Okay, let's see, right? Do I need to explain how to create an Gmail account? Is there anyone who want to learn about creating Gmail account, right? If you guys can't give me the answer in publicly, right? Please send me a direct message, right? If you want to learn about to creating a new Gmail account. Right? There are some persons who want to know about that, right? If there's someone who want to know about creating Gmail account, please let me know, right? As a direct message. right? එතකොට ඔයගොල්ලෝගේ privacy එක රැකෙනවා. right? එතකොට බය වෙන්න දෙයක් නෑ අපෝ Gmail account එක හදාගන්න දන්නේ නැති අය ඉන්නාද? එහෙම නෑ. ඔයගොල්ලෝ ඉගෙන ගන්න ඇවිත් ඉන්නේ. කිසි ප්‍රශ්නයක් නෑ. දන්නේ නැත්නම් මට චුට්ටක් කියන්න. මට මේ step එකේදීම ඒක explain කරගෙන ගිහිල්ලා email එකේ features ටික කතා කරන්න පුළුවන්. right? කවුරුම හරි ඉන්නවනම් එක්කෙනෙක් හරි කමන්නේ මට පොඩි message එකක් දාන්න Gmail account එකක් හදාගන්න විදිහ දන්නේ නැති කෙනෙක් ඉන්නවා නම්. No. No one. Right. Okay. Right. I can't see you here, two-step verification method, but I can teach you, right, how to log into the new machine with the support of this two-step verification method, right? Simply, if you already log into the your device using your right, Hari. Okay. I will teach you how to create a new Gmail account, right? I think you should follow this step, right? Simply you can search on your search bar, create Gmail account. It will suggest at the very the top of the list from the Google support service, right? Then click on the create a Gmail account, right? Simply you can create this red icon, red button, right? Then it will give you this kind of interface, right? Okay, then you should add step by step Google account, or the Google going to ask some questions or the add some information about yourself, right? Simply here you can add your first name, right? Already I am having accounts, right? So I will create a duplicate one here, right? Then you can click on the next option, right? It's asking about the birthday and the gender, simply you can select here, right? Date and the year, right? And then it's asking about your gender, right? It's having a top-down menu, right? You can select from here, female, male, or other any kind of gender, right? Then click on the next option, right? Gmail will suggest you some email addresses based on your details, right? If you wish to use this from this list, you can simply select from these two email addresses. Otherwise, if you want to generate your own email address, you can select create your own Gmail address. Then here you should add your own email address, right? Each and every email addresses, right? In Gmail addresses, it should be separated with the support of at sign, right? And then it's going to add the domain name gmail.com, right? And in this place, you're going to give your own email address name, right? Okay, I will create my own email address from here, right? Already I am having some email addresses, right? So I will create and duplicate one like this. Okay, let's try with this email address. Then you can click on the next. Yes, that email is not available in the Google list, right? So then you can create your password, right? It's a very important one, creating passwords, right? What are the steps that you should follow once you going to creating the passwords? Password එක create කරද්දී කොහොමද තියෙන්න ඕන නැත්තේ password එක? Do you have any idea?
Ma'am, it should have both uppercase and lowercase letters or
Right.
numbers and symbols.
Right. Okay,
Uh,
very good. And how many minimum characters should be there?
8.
At least 8. There should be
8.
at least 8 characters, right? While mixing capital letters, simple letters, and symbols as well as the numbers, right? By mixing these icons, right, or the symbols, you should create your password with at least 8 characters. And then you should not use your name as your password and your birth date and your village, right, and your mobile number as the password, right? ගොඩක් කලාවට ඔයගොල්ලෝගේ Facebook accounts hack වෙන්නේ, right? හොඳට බලන්න දැන් චුට්ටක් මතක් කරගන්න පුළුවන්. ඔයාලගේ Facebook account එකේ තියෙන්නේ ඔයාලගේ first name එකයි last name එකයි තමයි appear වෙන්නේ. And if someone search about your Facebook account, he or she can understand what is your birth date, right? Most of them are adding your birth date and it's publicly visible to everyone, right? So if someone want to hack your Facebook account, he or she can try with the dictionary attack option, right? එයාලට පුළුවන් dictionary attack option එකකින් password එක suggest කරන්න, right? ඔයාගේ first name එකයි birth date එකයි දාන්න. එහෙම නැත්නම් ඔයාලගේ last name එකයි birth date එකයි, එහෙම නැත්නම් birth year එක, right? ඔයාලගේ mobile number එක දන්නවනම් mobile number එකත් එක්ක මෙන්න මේ විදිහට try කරනවා. ඒකට අපි කියනවා dictionary attacks කියලා. Right? These kind of ways you may be hacked, right? මේ විදිහට ඔයගොල්ලෝ hack වෙන්න පුළුවන් දන්නේම නැතුව. ඒ නිසා password එකක් follow කරද්දී එහෙම නැත්නම් password එකක් generate කරද්දී don't use your name or the first name or last name or birth year or birth date or mobile number or even as your country as the password, right? It's very dangerous one, right? So you can use any kind of letters, right? And the numbers and capital and simple both letters, right? And numbers as well as the symbols, right? While mixing these three, at least there should be 8 characters with the mixing these icons, right? So, okay, let's generate and password, right? Do I need to show you my password? Is it ethical one? No, right? Please don't share your password with others, right? keep it as a secret, right? So if you click on show password option, anyone can see the password like us, right? If you click on this icon, right, anyone can't see my password, right? Okay, here I will add the password for my account, and I am going to copy this one and paste it right down. But I can't paste here. Copying and paste option is not available. Why? මේකේ copy සහ paste option එක නැහැ. මට මෙතන enter කරපු password එකම copy කරලා මෙතෙන්ට paste කරන්න බෑ. කවුරුරි ඒක දැනන් හිටියද?
Sometimes first time you maybe type wrongly.
Right. Okay. Right. That's why they enable they drop this option, right? Copy and paste option, right? So again, you should enter your password here, right? So let's try with that one. Right. මේ විදිහට account හදන්න හොඳ නෑ. මොකද හේතුව තමයි Google එක මේකට වෙන මිඩක් අරින්න ඕනි. But for the teaching purpose, I will create another Google account, right? Okay. Then click on the next option, right? You can add recovery email address here, right? If not, you can skip that one, right? If you already don't have any Gmail account, you can skip this step, right? Doesn't matter. Then it's asking about your mobile number, right? Once you select the country, then you should not add 0 here, right? You can start with the your ISP number, right? Okay. Then right, then here also you can skip this one, but don't skip this method, right? They're asking about this one regarding the security purpose. Google will use this number only for account security. Your number will not be visible to others. You can choose later whether to use it for other purposes, right? It's giving you the reason why they are asking about the mobile number. The reason is they are going to follow the two-step verification method, right? That's why they are asking about your mobile number, right? Okay. This is the recovery mobile number, and this is my email address already generated one, right? Okay, then simply I will keep my email address. Right. Then click on the next option, right? අපි කවදාවත් මේ list එක කියවන්න යන්නේ නෑනේ, right? හරි. Then click on I agree option. Right. Right. By following that steps, right? If you want to create a new Chrome profile, simply you can click on OK. Otherwise, you can click on no thanks option, right? If you click on OK, it will create another Chrome icon with this email address, right? Okay. Then this is my new Gmail account. Simply you can follow Gmail applications available with this account, right? Gmail are available here, right? You can manage your Gmail account, right? Okay, this is the way that you can create your own Gmail account, right? Okay, is it clear? Right? Please don't skip giving your mobile number, right? That's the security purpose. With the help of this mobile number, anyone can log into your account with any other device, right? Okay. I think it is clear for you, right? Creating an Gmail account, right? It's very easy one, right? Okay, then, right, let's go to the Gmail applications. Gmail already providing several services for us, right? What are the services which provided by the Google up to now? Can anyone give me the answer? What are the Google services that are available on the internet up to today, right? Tomorrow will be changed, right? So, can anyone give me the answer? මේ වෙනකොට අද දවස් ඇතුළත Google අපිට දීලා තියෙන services මොනවාද? right? හෙට දවසේ වෙද්දී Google ලගේ services තව මොන විදිහට වෙනස් වෙයිද කියලා අපිවත් දන්නේ නැහැ. ඒ නිසා අද වෙනකොට තියෙන Google services මොනවාද? Can anyone give me the answer? What are the Google services that's already available through the internet?
Google Map, madam.
Google Map. Yes.
Gmail.
Gmail. Okay. Is that so? Google Meet. හරි. Google Drive. Right. YouTube Doc. Google Translate. Right. Okay. Right. Simply, once you log into your Gmail account, right? When you open your Chrome at the web browser, here you can see 9.scare, right? 9.scare you can see here, right? It's showing Google Apps. That means Google applications, right? Please click on that. You can see so many Google applications are available. Right? Google Drive and the Google search option, Maps, Play Store, YouTube, News, Gmail. Right? Did you think about that? Play Store is some kind of service from the Google, right? With the support of Play Store, you can download any mobile applications with the support of Android operating system, right? It's not going to support for the iOS operating system. What is the Play Store, right? Or the application downloading software with support for the iOS operating systems. iOS ලට support කරන application download කරන method එක මොකක්ද? කවුරුහරි දන්නවද? දන්න අය නැති වෙන්න විදිහක් නැහැ. ඉන්නවද? Apple members ලා නැද්ද කවුරු? iPhone members ලා. App Store එකෙන් තමයි Apples ලගේ මෙන්න මේ Play Store අපි Android එකෙන් කරන කාර්යය එහෙම නැත්නම් task එක perform කරන්නේ App Store එකෙන් තමයි iPhone වල එහෙම නැත්නම් Apple operating system එකේ කියන්නේ Apple brand එකෙන් generate කරන OS වල mobile application එකේදී mobile OS එකේදී App Store එකෙන් තමයි application download කරන්නේ මෙන්න මේ Play Store එක වෙනුවට right then YouTube right is available and the Gmail, Meet, Google Chat, Google Contacts, Google Calendars, Translate, Photoshop. There are so many applications. Rather than that, right, they are available and they are providing cloud software applications as well. These are the cloud software applications. These all are services of the cloud applications, right, or the cloud technology, right? But there are some softwares that are available with the support of cloud technology, right? These are the applications, Docs, Google Sheet, Google Slides, right? Blogs, books, likewise. There are so many applications, Google Classrooms, likewise, right? These are the Google applications that are available for today, right? So, from these applications, you are very familiar with the Google Map. Am I right? Google Map එකත් එක්ක හරි familiar නේද? Right. What are the sweet experiences with the support of Google Map? Right. Can someone share with us? Google app එක පාවිච්චි කරලා ඔයාලට වෙලා තියෙන රසබර කතා එහෙම නැද්ද? තියෙනවද? Yes or no? Right. Yes, we can use it to find a route. Right. Okay. Then Google Meet. Are you familiar with this software? Google Meet. Yes, Google Map is going to show some wrong directions sometimes, right? Rarely it can be happen, right? So, මම හිතන්නේ ඔයගොල්ලන්ට රසබර කතා නැතුව ඇති. Google app එකත් එක්ක මම මේ පාර වැරදිලා එහෙම නැද්ද Google Map එක බලන්න ගිහිල්ලා? නෑ. No one is there නේ. right එහෙනම් හරියට පාර පෙන්නලා තියෙනවා ඔයගොල්ලන්ට. right එහෙනම් හොඳයි. right Google Meet එක Google Meet. Is it familiar with you? It's work as the Zoom, right? Zoom එක වගේම වැඩ කරන software එකක් තමයි Google Meet කියලා කියන්නේ. Right? You can arrange meetings. Right. Okay. Google Meet එකෙන් වෙන්නේත් Zoom එකේ වෙන වැඩේමයි. You can arrange meeting virtually, right? You can handle your office works with the support of Google Meet, right? So you can try with the Google Meet applications. You can create, so if it is a mobile device, you can download Google Meet as the mobile application to your device, right? Then you can use it, right, to join into the meetings or the sessions, right? So then, how about the YouTube? It's very familiar one, right? I'm not going to ask anything regarding the YouTube, right? You can use it. You are very familiar with this icon, right? So then, other one. How about the Drive? Are you using Drive services? Yes or no? Google Drive. Drive එක use කරලා තියන අය ඉන්නවද? Right. Okay, let's see how to manage your Google Drive. First thing is you should log in into your Gmail account. Then simply click on your Drive option here, right? Like this, you can, this is my Drive, right? According to my email address, right? So then you can see there are several folders are available, right? And so many files are available here, right? Once you going to manage or the create your group works, right? It's very easily help you the Google Drive, right? Simply it's work as the virtual storage space, right? It's not going to take storage from your device. You no need to allocate some space to store your data in your device, right? It's a freely available once you create an Gmail account, right? 15 GB will provided to your Gmail account, right? Once it's full, right? My Gmail storage is Drive storage is already filled, right? So it you can freely get 100 GB storage while paying 75 rupees per month, right? For every 3 months, right? මාස 3කට රුපියල් 75ක වල GB 100ක space එකක් ඔයාලට ගන්න පුළුවන්. Right? Okay. Then, right? Here there is option called new, right? You can click on that. You can create new folder here and you can upload files from your device and you can upload folders from your device and you can manage Google Docs, Sheets, Slides, Forms and more options are available, right? Then if you guys want to create a new folder, you can simply click on this icon, new icon, then click on new folder, right? You can give your own name, right, here. Then click on the create option. Right. You can see your newly created drive folder, right? You can double click on that and get into the required folder. Then if you want to upload some files from your device, then simply you can click on file uploaded option here, right? So then if I want to import or the upload this PowerPoint, you can select from your device and click on the open option, right? You can see the item is uploading, right? Likewise. And then you can find shared documents with you by others and recent documents and start applications, spam, trash, right? Likewise, right? Once you delete something from your drive, first it's going to move into the trash, right? Like recycle bin. It will keep your deleted information or data up to 30 days, right? After that, automatically they will delete it, right? Okay. Then once you upload something to your drive, right, easily you can share this document with your colleagues, right? Or you can open them with as the Google Slides or Cloud Convert or the Doc Hub likewise, and you can download them, right, while clicking on the download, right? First thing is you don't need to select the file, then right click on that. Then you can get this list and you can rename uploaded files and you can make some copy, right? And then share with your colleagues, right? You can simply click on the share option, right? Once you click on the share, then you can add people or groups here, right? Then I will add the email address as it's my another email address. You can make he or she as the viewer, commenter or editor. If it is viewer, this person can only see the document. He or she can't edit that document, right? If you make that person as commenter, he or she can add comment to that document, right? He or she can do only that thing. If you make that person as editor, he or she can make changes to your shared document, as well as you can share the message, right? Here, right? Then you can click on the send option. Once you click on the send icon, right, automatically it will send into the received person, right? Here, when I log into my another Gmail account, right, you can see this is the way that Drive documents are going to share with other people, right? They can log into their own email account and it will come as the new email into their accounts, right? Simply they can click on the icons, right? And then open the document from their drives, right? This is the way that you can share your documents with other parties, right? කවුරුහරි දැන් ජොබ් එක කරන තැනදී හරි මොනවා හරි වැඩකට document එකක් drive දාලා link එක share කරන්න කිව්වොත් මේ දේවල් චුට්ටක් දැනන් ඉන්න right එතකොට ඔයාලට තියෙන හරි ලේසියෙන් drive එකට log වුණා drive එකේ folder එකක් හැදුවා folder එක හදන්නේ අපේ පහසුවට අපිට folder එකක් තිබ්බහම හරියට manage කරගන්න ලේසි ඊට අදාළ documents right ඊට පස්සේ ඒ relevant documents ටික document machine එකෙන් upload කරගන්න folder එක ඇතුළට then you can simply share with the other parties, right? If someone asks you to send the drive link after uploading the document into your drive, how you can do that? Right? Share කරන්න කියන්නේත් නැහැ. එයාලා කියනවා ඔයාලට link එක එවන්න කියලා drive upload කරලා. Right? If someone asks like that, simply you can again right click on that, go to the share option, then you can get the copy link option. Otherwise, click on the share option. Right? Don't add people or groups into this one, right? Change the restriction option, keep it as the anyone with the link, and then here you can click or copy link option, and then you can change the option as from here as well, editor, again copy link, right? And then click on the done option, right? You can send the email to others, right? Click on the compose option, right? You can add receiver email address. Right. Then paste your link here. You can get the link like this. I will teach you how to send a professional email to the relevant parties, right? This is the way that you can take a link from uploaded document to the drive, right? මේ විදිහට තමයි drive එකට upload කරපු document එකකින් link එක copy කරගන්න, right? Or you can paste this link in your web WhatsApp or the WhatsApp group, right? Likewise, you can share the document link with other parties, right? Is it clear for you? Drive facilities, right?
Yes,
You
ma'am.
can use, right. You can use these facilities once you go in to create a group assignments, such kind of thing. You can use this Gmail facilities to work with your group members, right? Okay. Then this is the drive. Drive means a cloud service, right? Cloud service එකක් තමයි drive කියලා කියන්නේ, right? අපිට payment එකක් add වෙන්නේ drive space එක full වුණ වෙලාවට විතරයි. නැත්නම් අපිට freely available space එකක් තමයි Gmail provide කරන්නේ. නැත්නම් Google service එකක් විදිහට අපිට provide කරනවා free 15 GB space එකක්, right? අපිට ඒක expand කරගන්න ඕන වුණාම, right? GB 100ක් ගන්න පුළුවන්. මාස 3කට රුපියල් 75ක වගේ පොඩි මුදලක් payment එකක් විදිහට කරලා, right? Okay, then that's all about the drive option, right? Then the other one is right. I'm not going to teach about Google Calendar, right? If you going to work with Google Calendar, right? You can add your daily routings into the Google Calendar, right? To-do list and make them in your Google Calendar, right? And then you can add reminders to that relevant task, right? Color them with the appropriate colors, right? Likewise, you can create your own calendar with the support of Gmail, right? So this is the way that you can create your own or the arrange your own calendar with the support of Gmail account, right? You can create your calendars. You can name them, right? Like this. And then, how about the docs, sheets, slides? and so on. Is there anyone who work with the Google Docs, sheets and slides? මේ තුනෙන් එකක් එක්ක වැඩ කරපු අය ඉන්නවද මේ වෙනකොට? කවුරු හරි කෙනෙක් හරි? There is one person who used Google Sheet, right? Okay, it's better, right? If you have a Gmail account, you don't need to install Office package in your device, right? Google Docs provide each and every facilities that are available with the Microsoft Word, right? You can access them from anywhere, anytime, right? Without having your own machine, right? අපිට Microsoft Word එක වැඩ කරන්න නම් අපේ machine එකම තියෙන්න ඕනි. ඒ machine එකේ තමයි doc එක save වෙලා තියෙන්නේ. වෙන කොහරි යනවා නම් ආපහු machine එක back එක කරේලා යන්න ඕනි. right? අපි යන තැන වෙන machines තියෙනවා නම් right? ඒත් අපේ machine එකේම තමයි pen එක හරි දාගෙන අරන් යන්න ඕනි. But if you make your works in the cloud service or the Gmail service with the support of Docs, right? Or with the support of Drive, right? You can access your documents from anywhere, anytime, if you have a proper internet connection with your devices, right? Any kind of device. මොනවා හරි device එක internet connection එක තියෙනවා නම් ඔයාගේ document එක pen එකේ නැති වුණත්, ඔයා හදා හිටපු machine එක නැති වුණත්, ඔයා ඒක upload කරලා නම් තියෙන්නේ drive එකට. එහෙම නැත්නම් ඔයා ඒක Google Doc එකක් විදිහට නම් හදලා තියෙන්නේ. drive එකේ save කරලා තියෙන්නේ. ඔයාට ඕන වෙලාවක ඕන තැනක ඉඳලා edit කරන්න පුළුවන් feature එක තියෙනවා. Right? Okay, then simply you can click on the bank option. Right? You can see the interface of Google Doc. Right? You can rename or the Google account. Like this. Right? It automatically save into the your drive, right? So file, edit, view, insert, format, each and every options are available as Microsoft Word, right? Then you can do undo, redo options. You can do printing options, right? Format painters, right? Font styles, font types, right? For each and every formatting are available through this online document, right? So you will learn about the Word in next week, right? So until that, please keep this mind, right? You can work without Microsoft Office package in your device. You can make your document part with the support of your Gmail account, right? As well as you can create your presentation without having Microsoft PowerPoint in your device, right? Simply you can log into your Gmail account and then click on the Google Slide option, right? You can click on the bank option or you can use already created themes from here, right? Like this. It will providing several templates from here, this side, right? You can use one of them as well, right? And also you can do each and everything formatting as you work in the Microsoft PowerPoint, right? Then other one is you can use Microsoft Excel with the support of Google service, right? Google Sheets are available, right? You can do normal calculations and every performance you are doing already with the support of Microsoft Excel, right? With the support of Google Doc, they also were providing same facilities as the Microsoft Excel, right? Clear? මේ තමයි interfaces Word document එක, PowerPoint, Excel right මේ තමයි ඔයගොල්ලෝ දැනට mainly use කරන තුන, right? If you are freely in your home or in your free time, you can try up with the other Google services. Don't worry, right? මොකුත් වෙන්නේ නැහැ ඔයාලට. ඔයාලගේ machine එකට මොකුත් වෙන්නේත් නැහැ, right? කිසිම harmful දෙයක් මේකෙන් වෙන්නේ නැහැ. මෙන්න මේ දේවල් try කරලා බලන්න මොකද වෙන්නේ කියලා. right? Okay.
இல்ல தலைவர் நோட்
Right. Okay. Are you guys clear with the Google services? Yes or no?
It's clear, ma'am.
Okay. Thank you very much. Right. ඔයගොල්ලෝ දෙන ආන්සර් එක හරි ගොඩක් වටිනවා. right? මොකද online session එකක් කරද්දී හරි අමාරුයි. එක තැන ඉඳන් ඉන්න ඕනි. ස්ක්‍රීන් එක දිහා බලන කතා කරන්න ඕනි. අනික night time එක. right? ඇස් දෙකත් එක්ක රිදෙනවා. ඕගොල්ලොන්ටත් එහෙමයි. අපිට විතරක් නෙමෙයි. right? එක දිගට කියවන්න ඕනි. අනිත් ඒවා මම කොහොමද කියවනවා වැඩි. right? Is it speed? මම කතා කරන ස්පීඩ් එක වැඩිද? යන අහන් ඉන්න අමාරුයි වගේ එකක් නෑ නේද ඔයගොල්ලන්ට? Yes, Excel. Right. If you guys can't listen to the voice and there is any matters regarding the teaching styles, you can suggest, right? There is no any issues, right? I highly appreciate your feedback, right? Since you are the person who is going to teach from us, right? Right. Rauf, are you saying seriously? Is it seriously boring? Yes or no? Right. Okay, I know. Right. Okay. Right. Right. Then night time එකේ ඔයගොල්ලෝ ඉන්නවද මේ ලෙක්චර්ස් අහගෙන දෙන්නේ? නැත්තම් මොනාරි වෙන වැඩ කරන අය ඉන්නවද මේ වෙනකොට night time එකේ? ජොබ් කරන කට්ටිය ඉන්නවද මේ වෙලාවේ? ජොබ් කරන ගමන් අහගෙන ඉන්න කට්ටිය? මොකද එක දිගට මම කියවගෙන යන ඔයගොල්ලොත් එක කතා කරන්නෙත් නැහැ. right ඔයගොල්ලෝ තමයි අපේ ඩිප්ලෝමා එක සිලෙක්ට් කරන් ඉන්නේ. right එතකොට ඔයාලා තමයි මේකෙන් දෙයක් ඉගෙන ගන්න ඕනි. අපි ඔයාලට දෙයක් තේරෙන්න උගන්වන්න ඕනි. නැත්තම් එකෙන් කිසි වැඩක් නැති වෙනවා. right අපි ඔයගොල්ලොත් එක්ක ෆැමිලිය වෙන තරමට තමයි ඔයගොල්ලොන්ගේ ඔළුවට දෙයක් යන්නේ. right එහෙම නැත්නම් අපි මෙතන ලෙක්චරර් ලෙවල් එකේ ඉඳලා right හැමදේම හරි බැරෑරුම් විදිහට ටීච් කරොත් right ඔයාලගේ ඔළුවට කිසිම දෙයක් යන්නේ නැහැ. සහ ඔයගොල්ලෝ ඉගෙන ගන්න එක්සෑම් මානසිකත්වයෙන් විතරයි. ඩිප්ලෝමා එකක් කරගෙන දෙයක් ඉගෙන ගන්නවා වැලියු එකක් ඇඩ් කරනවා කියන තැන ඔයගොල්ලෝ නැති වෙනවා. right ඒ නිසා right don't worry and don't hesitate. right if you have any question, right you can talk to us. right so right okay, it doesn't matter Buddha, you can leave your suggestions as the chat, right? right okay. sweet voice එකක් තියනවාද කියලා නම් මන් දන්නේ නැහැ. right අහන් ඉන්න අයට කොහොමද දන්නේ නැහැ. මොකද මම මෙතනත් හරි සද්දෙන් කතා කරනවා. හරි online session එකක් වුණත් හරි සද්දෙන් මම කතා කරන්නේ උගන්වන්නේ. ඒ නිසා අහන් ඉන්න අයට කොහොමද එනවාද කියලා තමයි මට චුට්ටක් try කරලා බලන්න ඕනේ. right okay so පොඩි බ්‍රේක් එකක් එක්ක තමයි චුට්ටක් කතා කරේ නැත්නම් හැමදාම මම කියවගෙන යනවා. right next week එකෙත් most of the time I will to the class, right? okay. right. සිංහල medium අයට exam තියෙන්නේ ඉංග්‍රීසි වලින් මං හිතන්නේ පුතේ. ඉංග්‍රීසි වලින් තමයි තියෙන්නේ ඔක්කොටම. common exam එකක් යන්නේ. ඉංග්‍රීසි වලින් තමයි exam එක තියෙන්නේ හැමෝටම. Right. Right. I will tell you something, right? Once you're going to learn something from anywhere, from anyone, right? Don't expect about examinations or don't target about examination, right? Oh, semesters දෙකක් තියෙනවා පුතේ. Semesters දෙකක් තියෙනවා ඔයගොල්ලන්ට. Right? එක්සෑම් එකක් ටාගට් කරන්න එපා පුතේ. ඔයාලා එක්සෑම් එක ටාගට් කරාට ප්‍රශ්නයක් නැහැ. කිසිම ඉෂුව එකක් නැහැ. right? ඔයගොල්ලෝ රෙඩි වෙන්න එක්සෑම් එකට. හැබැයි ඉගෙන ගන්න ටයිම් එකක් ඔයගොල්ලෝ allocate කරගත්තාම ඒකේ දන්නේ නැති දේවල් නම් යන්නේ ඒ ටයිම් එක earn කරන්න. right? ඔයගොල්ලෝ ඒ ටයිම් එකේ අපි කියලා දෙන ඒවාත් එක try කරන්න. මොකද IT part එක කියලා කියන්නේ ගොඩක් important side එකක්. ඔයාලා ගොඩක් valuable diploma එකක් කරන්නේ. Email password අමතක වුණොත්, right? If you forget your password, email password, right? මෙතන පොඩි chat එකකට question එනවා. ඒකට මම කතාව පොඩ්ඩක් drop වෙනවා, right? Final exam තියෙන මාසෙ මොකද්ද? අර time table available කරලා තියෙන්නේ. Semester time table. We teach. I can't පුතා මට හැමදාම I can't teach every day, right? There are some other lecturers as well, right? So in my time period, I will teach you, right? Okay. Right. There were some questions, right? ඊමේල් පාස්වර්ඩ් එක අමතක වුණොත් මම හිතන්නේ සිංහලෙන් අහලා තියෙන්නේ මම හින්දා ඒක සිංහලෙන්ම චුට්ටක් එක්ස්ප්ලেইন කරලා දෙන්න, right? ඊමේල් එකේ පාස්වර්ඩ් එක අමතක වුණොත් පුතේ ඔයාලට එනවා පාස්වර්ඩ් එක එන්ටර් කරන්න තැන ඔයාලා අලුතෙන් Gmail එකට log වෙද්දී, right? මම පෙන්නන්නම් මෙතන. Right. If you want to add another account to your already login, if you guys already log into the web browser or the Google application with the support of your email account, or do you need to add another account, right? Simply you can click on add another account option here, right? Then you guys add email or mobile number. Here I will add this email, right? Okay, then click on the next option, right? Simply you will get the option. Then you will have to enter your password. If you forget your password, simply click on the forget password option, right? Once you click on the forget password option, right? Here I can't show you since it is an domain admin email, right? This is a university email address, right? So to find my email address password, then I have to create the admin from the university site, right? Then I can rearrange my passwords. But you are using your Gmail account, since once you click on the forget password, here you will show, right? Two options, right? Here, this method, it's going to find out two-step verification protection, right? Then here, it will ask about your mobile number, right? Or it will going to send some OTP to your mobile number. Or if you add recovery email address, once you're going to create your email address, then you can keep your recovery email address here, right? Then it will give the link to that email address to create your password, right? You can use that method, Puta, right? Try with that one, right? Right. මේකේ ලෙසන් එකේ නෝට් එක දෙනවා පුතේ. මට චූරි ටයිම් එකක් දෙන්න. මම ලෙසන් එකට නෝට් එක arrange කරන ගමන් ඉන්නේ. right මොකද මේක චුට්ටක් අර අකුරු දාගෙන යනවා වගේ නෙමෙයි නෝට් එක. right මේ වගේ චුට්ටක් screenshots අරගෙන ඔයගොල්ලෝගේ slide එකට දාන්න ඕනි. right ඒ නිසා one by one arrange කරන් යද්දි චුට්ටක් පොඩි වෙලාවක් යනවා. right ඒ නිසා මම මේ සතිය ඇතුළත ඔයගොල්ලන්ට මේකේ නෝට් එක දානවා. මම මේ practical side එකේ හින්දා without note you can learn නේ. right that's why I teach you without the note, right? I will upload the note within this week, right? Before the Sunday, I will upload it, right? Sorry for that, right? Okay. මේක චුට්ටක් ප්‍රැක්ටිකල් පාර්ට් එකේ හින්දා තමයි මම ස්ලයිඩ් එක ක්‍රියේට් කරන එක චුට්ටක් බ්‍රේක් කරලා ලෙසන් එකට ලෑස්ති උනේ, right? I will arrange your note as soon as possible, right? So I think you can manage forgot password option here. Right. Okay. Then let's move into the email facilities. Right. This is the email that we created today. Right. As the new email. You can see I have received only one email. Right. This is the interface. Gmail interface is like this. Right. Updated one. Right. So guys, you can see main menu from here as 3 lines, right? Once you click on that, you can hide the main menu with the icons, right? If you want to keep showing with details, then you can simply click on these 3 icons, right? Now I am going to teaching you how to customize your Gmail account, right? බලා ගන්න චුට්ටක් නැත්නම් ඔයගොල්ලෝ කරන්නේ ඊමේල් එකක් එන එක බලනවා ඊමේල් එකක් යවනවා ඔය ටිකත් එක්ක විතරයි ඔයගොල්ලෝ familiar, right? So from this session I am going to teach about how to customize your Gmail account, right? The basic steps, right, that you should know up to this level, right? So here is the option called compose, right? Simply you can click on that to send a new email to somebody, right? කාට හරි අලුතෙන් email address එකක් යවන්න ඕන නම් මෙන්න මේ compose කියන icon එකට තමයි click කරන්න ඕනි. Right? Then it will provide this kind of interface to you. Right? Here you can see 2 options is available with CC and BCC facility. And subject is available, and then you can add your email body here. Right? And also customization features are available for your text, right? And the email content, right? Okay, let's see one by one. Under the 2 option, right? You're going to add recipients of your email, right? So if you're going to send an email, right? Okay, let's get an example as you're supposed to send an email to your principal if it is a school, right? ඔයාලගේ principal ට email එක send කරන්න කියනවා, right? The main receiver is your email is your principal in your school, right? Then also you need to send the same email address to the science teacher as well. Principal ටත් යවන්න ඕනි. අපි හිතමු science day එකට request එකක්, right? science day එකට date එකක් fix කරගෙන ඒකේ date එක confirm වුණා කියන email එක ඔයගොල්ලන්ට ඕනි principal ට send කරන්න, right? So that's kind of situation. Your main receiver is your principal, right? So you should add principal's email here, right? Here I will add my email address as the principal, right? Right. This is the principal in your school, right? Okay. Then you need to add or send same email to your science teacher as well, right? So you want to make the science teacher's CC person. CC means carbon copy, right? That means CC person can see this message is sent to the principal as well. Also, principal can see this same email sent to the science teacher as well. Right? Both parties can see each and everyone, right? That who are the persons that receive the same email. Clear? ඒක තමයි CC එකෙන් වෙන්නේ. Right. CC එකෙන් වෙන්නේ පුතේ අපි 2 එකට දානවා main receiver. අපේ email එක mainly යන්න ඕන කෙනා CC option එක යටතේ ඒ email එකම තව copy වෙන්න ඕනි කාටද කියලා add කරන්න පුළුවන්. Right. Then you can simply click on the CC option. Then you can add your science teacher email address here. Right? Okay. Then there is another option called BCC. Right? How about the BCC? BCC means blind carbon copy. Blind carbon copy කියලා තමයි BCC එකෙන් කියන්නේ. If you add a person under the BCC category, right? So principal and science teacher can't see who are the person send this email under the BCC category. Right? මේ දෙන්නට බෑ BCC category එක යටතේ email එක ගියේ කාටද කියලා බලා ගන්න. But BCC person can see who are the person that receive this email address. Right? BCC ට යන කෙනාට පුළුවන් මේ email එක ආයි කවුද කාටද යවුවේ කියලා බලා ගන්න. Right? So then you can add BCC person here. Right? Okay. Like this, right? You can add more email addresses, right? You can make a set of email address as an address bulk. Then you can copy and paste here, right? මේ විදිහට email address එකක් නෙමෙයි. ඔයාලට මෙතන 2 යටතේ තව email address ඕන තරම් add කරන්න පුළුවන්. Right? මෙන්න මේ විදිහට. ඔයාලට කැමති විදිහකට email addresses මේවට එකතු කරන්න පුළුවන්. ඕන තරමක්. Right? CC ටත් එහෙමයි. CC ල ඕන තරමක් ඉන්න පුළුවන්. BCC ල ඕන තරම් ඉන්න පුළුවන්. Right? You can add more email addresses under these 3 categories. Right? Then you should add proper subject to your email. Right? Once you send an official letter, there should be a topic. Right? අපි කියන්නේ මොනවාදර සිංහල පාඩමේදී අපි අර official letters ලියන පාඩම යටතේදී right අපි ලියනවනේ ලබන්නාගේ ලිපිනේ ඊට පස්සේ ආමන්ත්‍රණය ඊට පස්සේ topic එකක් තියෙන්න ඕනි. Like that, when you send an email and professional email, there should be a subject, proper subject here. Right? So you can add subject here, right? Likewise, right? So you can add the subject, then you can start the typing your email here, right? First you should add dear sir or madam, right? Separate it by comma, then press enter to add new line, right? Then you can type your email body, right? Here I'm not going to enter the email body, right? Based on your English knowledge and preference, right? Yes, carbon copy and blind carbon copy. Yes, BCC person, once you add the BCC, right? BCC list එකේ ඉන්න අනිත් අයට දකින්න බෑ වෙන කාටද BCC ගියේ කියලා. Right? Okay, your answer is correct. Rauf neda. Yes. Okay, then you should add your email body here, right? Then you can change, right? Your text colors like this, right? You can change the font style, font type, right? And the font size, right? You can make it as bold or italic or underline, as well as you can make the background color as well as the text color, right? And then you can do the alignment, you can add bullets and numberings, right? Each and every letter formattings you can do within your email body, right? As well as you can attach files. right? මෙන්න මෙතන තියෙන clip mark එකක් ඒක උඩ click කරලා ඔයාලට පුළුවන් email එකට attachment add කරන්න. Like this. Once you click on the open, it will add new document to your email, right? As well as you can add emojis, right? මේ විදිහට emojis තියෙනවා. හැබැයි professional email එකක් යවද්දි emojis දාලා යවන්න එපා. යාළුවාට යවනවා නම් right ඒක personal එකක් නම් විතරක් මේ විදිහට emojis දාලා ඔයාලට send කරන්න පුළුවන්. If it is a formal email, don't add this kind of emojis into your email body, right? So keep in mind there is option called emojis that you can use during the email sending, right? And also drive options are available. You can add images like that. So many options are available under the compose option, right? To do some formatting on your email body, right? Then you can simply click on the send option, right? It will send into the relevant parties that you add under the to category, right? Okay, I think you clear regarding sending an email, right? BCC කියලා කියන්නේ පුතේ blind carbon copy කියන එක. Blind carbon copy, right? All right. Sorry, Dua, I will pronounce your name again correctly. Right. Now I can pronounce your name, right? All right. CC means, right? CC කියන්නේ අපි ඔය ලියුමක් යවනකොට copy කරන්නේ පිටපත් යවනවා කියලා කියන්නේ. අපි main letter එක ගහනවා කාටද කියන එක. ඒ කියන්නේ to කියන එක යටතේ අපි main letter එක type කරනවා. principal ට කියලා. දැන් මම explain එක ගත්ත example එක ගත්ත එකට මම සිංහලෙන් කියන්නම් පුතේ මම හිතන්නේ ඔයාලට ඒකයි තේරුන්නේ නැත්තේ. right. අපි email එක නැත්නම් letter එක ලියනවනේ. letter එක ලියලා principal ට තමයි letter එක ලියන්නේ. ඊට පස්සේ අපි යටින් ලියනවා පිටපත් කියලා යටතේ කාටද පිටපත් ගියේ ග්‍රාම සේවකට ගිහින් තියෙනවා පොලිස්පතිට ගිහින් තියෙනවා ඔන්න ඔය විදිහට ගියපු අයව දානවා ලිස්ට් එකක් right එතකොට ප්‍රින්සිපල් දන්නවා මේකේ පිටපත් මේගොල්ලන්ට ගිහින් තියෙනවා කියලා අන්න ඒ process එක තමයි email එකේ CC යටතේ වෙන්නේ right under the CC persons can see who are the person received that same email right. So when it's come to the BCC, blind carbon copy එකට ආපුවාම BCC ට යන අය right BCC දකිනවා වෙන කාටද ගිහින් තියෙන්නේ කියලා. කියන්නේ CC යටතේ ගියපු අය සහ 2 එකේ හිටපු අය දකිනවා. හැබැයි 2 සහ CC ඉන්න කට්ටිය BCC එකේ හිටියේ කවුද කියලා දන්නේ නැහැ. ඒ කියන්නේ වෙන කාටද මේ email එක ගියේ කියලා යාළුවට පෙන්නන්නේ නැහැ. තේරෙන්නේ නැතිනේ. clear නේද පුතේ? Right, okay. Then another thing. Under the starred email, right, you can star emails. Like highlighting. Highlighting options is available under the Gmail. Simply you received email, you can mark as the starred one, right? Once you click on this star icon under the inbox, right, you can see under the starred category that email. It's not appear here, right? I don't know what happened. මේ විදිහට ස්ටාර් කරපුවාම email එක පෙන්වන්න ඕනේ right I will get my formal email here to show those things right so then once you add the star icon or highlight your email right then simply you can go to the start option here right then you can see your started email right from under the start category එතකොට අර ආපු bulk email ගොඩෙන් ඔයාලට ස්පෙෂලි ඕන කරන ඒවා ටික ස්ටාර් කරලා මේ කැටගරි එකේ දාලා තියාගන්න පුළුවන් right and sent option under the sent you can see who are the person received your email and under the draft right once you arrange some emails under the draft option you can save them right until finalize your final email right okay then the another part is under this setting right? Here you can see I have added background for my email, right? And once you click on the setting option, you can see customize options are available, right? There are several customizations for your Gmail account, right? You can add theme based on your preference as the background, right? Then once you click on the see all setting option, right? Right. I explain you to how to add the background, right? So here you can see once you click on this setting icon, right? Simply you will get the customization column. In that column, you can find the theme for your backdrop, right? Then under the see all category settings, right? You will have general option here, right? Under the general option, you can change the language, right? Don't do that if you can't understand any other languages, right? Language එක නම් change කරන්න එපා පුතේ. බැරි වෙලාවත්, right? අමතක වෙලාවත් ඒක change කරගන්න එපා, right? Then phone number, you can make default country. I have make my default country as Sri Lanka, right? And maximum page size, my one is 50. That means this page, right? This page can see only 50 emails. පේනවා ඇති 1 to 50 for this page, right? එකේ ඉඳන් 50ට යනකම් emails මේ page එකේ මම wrap කරලා තියෙනවා, right? If I want to see another emails after this 50, I can click on this arrow mark. Right? මෙන්න මේ විදිහට තමයි back යන්නේ අපේ email එකේ, right? Then again I move into the see all setting, right? You can change page size, right? Then undo send option, right? Here now emails are providing undo option, right? Once you send an email, if you need to undo that one, right, within 5 seconds you can do that. Otherwise you can increase the undo time from here up to 30, right? Default reply behavior, right? You can add reply or reply all option, right? Don't make default reply option. What's the reason? It's better, no matter, right? But if someone sent you message like I will kill you tomorrow, right? Then automatically reply you, right? Noted with thanks, right? What happened, right? අර මරන්න තීරණය කරපු මිනිස්සයාත් confuse වෙනා ඒ වගේ දෙයක් වුණා. ඒ නිසා default reply එක තියාගන්න. එම පාවිච්චි කරන්න ඉන්නවා, issue එකක් නැහැ. හැබැයි හැම වෙලේම email එක check කරලා reply එක යවන්න practice එක තියාගන්න. නැත්නම් ඔයගොල්ලෝ දන්නේම නැතුව noted with thanks ගිහිල්ලා තියෙනවා. පස්සේ email එක දන්නේ නැහැ. right උනේ මොකද්ද කියලා. Right. Okay, then hover actions means once you move into this options, ඔයාලට පේන ඇති මගේ cursor එක move වෙනවානේ මේ side එකේ. ඒ අනකොට ඔයාලට පේන ඇති මේ අකුරුට color එක change වෙනවා. Right. මෙන්න මේකට අපි කියන්නේ hover වෙනවා කියලා. Once you going to learn about web development, you will learn what does mean by hover. Right. Hover means මෙන්න මේ විදිහට අපි අපේ list එකේ one by one move වෙනකොට එයාට තියෙන color එක change වෙන එකට. Right. So my hover actions is enabled, right? So then send and achieve options are available, images, right? Likewise, grammar, spelling, auto correction, these options keep as on, right? On කරලා තියාගන්න මේ දේවල් ඔයාලට help කරනවා email එකක් draft කරනකොට. Right, smart compose writing suggestions are on, right? Personalization, these writing suggestions are given by the support of AI, right? මේ තමයි Gmail AI support help කරන් තියෙන විදිහ. right? ඔයාලා email එක type කරන් යද්දී ආ suggest කරනවා ඉස්සරහට එන්න ඕන වචනේ. right? මේක on කරලා තියාගන්න. right? This is the way that Gmail going to use AI for creating emails, right? Then smart reply is on, right? Then others are no more important, right? So another major thing is creating a signature and adding a picture to your account, right? If you are going to apply for a job, right? Or you are working in the current position, you are working in the office currently, right? Please make and arrange your Gmail. It's a formal one, as a formal one, right? So add a proper image, right? Image එකක් add කරද්දී අර නිකන් අතපය උඩට දාගෙන නැට්ටුක් කාරයෙක් වගේ ඉන්නේවා ඇඩ් කරන්න එපා. ඔයගොල්ලෝ ප්‍රොෆෙෂනල් ඊමේල් එකක් නා, right? ඔෆිස් එකේ වැඩවලට යූස් කරන ඊමේල් එකක් නා, right? Especially girls ලා, right? add කරන්න එපා images එහෙම නැත්නම් picture එක, right? වෙන කෙනෙක්ගේ ළඟ බලද්දී ඔයාගේ reputation එකට හානියක් වෙන විදිහට, right? So boys ලත් එහෙමයි. හරි. picture එකක් add කරද්දී හරි professional image එකක් add කරන්න, right? ඔයාලගේ professional email එකට, right? Then when you going to add signature, right? So when I click on the compose, you can see my signature is appear like this. බලන්න ඔයගොල්ලොත් email එකේ compose එකට ගියපුවහම මෙහෙම එකක් පෙන්නනවාද කියලා. එහෙම නැත්නම් දැන් මේ කියලා දෙන්න යන්නේ මෙන්න මෙයාව හදාගන්න විදිය. Right? So thank you, best regards, your name and your currently working position and your office address and your email, your mobile should be there, right? As a professional email signature, right? So you can add signature, right? Simply you can click on the signature option under the setting, then click on the see all setting, then go to the signature option here, right? Then click on create new. Since I am going to click on the create new option, already I have one, right? Then I am going to create another one, right? You also have option called create new under the signature. Then first you should give the name for your signature, right? I will going to create new signature for IMBS campus since I am working there as the visiting lecturer. So I am going to create another signature for that purpose, right? Then give the email name and click on the create, right? The signature name is have chosen already, right? Oh, sorry guys, I have created that one for the practical class in last Sunday, right? I will delete this signature, right? Okay, create IMBS and then click on the create option, right? Now you can see this is my one signature. It will appear like this. Then I am going to another signature different from this one to IMBS campus, right? Here you can add thank you, right? And best regards, right? So then if you need to add separation after thank you line, right? You can add පොඩි dash mark එකක් තියෙන්නේ. එයාව එක දිගට press කරන් ඉන්න. එතකොට පොඩි line එකක් හදා ගන්න පුළුවන්. Right? Then best regards, your name, I'm not going to add more details, right? Here, just to show you, I'm typing something here, right? Like this, right? That's enough. If you want, you can add your telephone number, your professional email address, right? As well as you can add your images in to your signature as well, right? So you can customize your signature, right? You can make the font style like this, right? And you can make the font size, right? Bold, italic, or you can add text color like this. Right? Or you can add images, right? Add links, right? So many things are available, right? For the thank you. එකටත් අපි මොකක් හරි කරමුනේ. Right. Okay. This is the way that you can create your signature. How to type down in signature? මට තේරුන්නේ නැහැ පුතේ. පහළට type කරන්න කියන අදහසින් නම් ඔය අහුවේ enter එකක් press කරන්න පුළුවන් ඔයාට. මෙතන cursor එක තියලා enter දුන්නාම ඔය අලුත් line එකකට යනවා. right? ඒක නෙමෙයි නම් ඔයා බලාපොරොත්තු වුණ answer එක පුතේ මට ප්‍රශ්න චුට්ටක් අය පාරක් chat එකට දාන්න මම කියලා දෙන්නම්. Right. This is the way that you can create signatures, right? If you want to use this signature for current email, right? Then you should select this one and go down, right? From here also you should select that one. You can, if you want to send the email without signature, you can select no signature option. Otherwise, you can select from these two, right? මට ඕන නැත්තේ Wimber University එකේ email address එක use කරන්න නම් I can select this one. If I want to send email into the IMBS, then I can select IMBS email signature. Far down. Right. I think reason is you with your keyboard, Puta. Otherwise, it will easily enter into the new line. Right. Keyboard එකේ මොකක් හරි issue එකක් ඇති පුතේ. නැත්නම් හරි ලේසියෙන් down new line එකකට යන්න පුළුවන්. Right. Okay. Then after adding these details, you can click on the save changes option. Right. Save changes දුන්නට පස්සේ ඔයාලට පුළුවන් මේ විදිහට email එකකට click කරාම ඔයාලගේ signature එක appear කරගන්න. Right. If I want to show here IMBS signature, then I want to go to the setting, click on see all settings. Right. Scroll down for the signature. I am going to select IMBS. Then signature is also should select from here as well into the IMBS. Scroll down, keep changes as saved. Once you click on the compose, you can see a new signature like this. Then you can send your email using same email address, but with the different email signatures. Right. Okay. These are the things that I want to teach you for today. Sending professional emails and internet applications, right? So, do you have any doubt or the questions? Or are you asleep?
Oh, madam.
No, ne? නිදිද කට්ටිය නෑ නේද? ඉන්නවනේ? Right. Okay, did you learn something today? Was it boring?
Yeah, madam.
No,
No,
ne?
no.
Ah, right. Okay. Right. If you have any doubts, please don't hesitate. I will give you time to ask anything. Right. If you can't switch on your mic, right, then please leave a message to the chat. Right. I read each and every chat from your chat. Sometimes it will full with several messages. Sometimes maybe I will miss something, right? So, okay. Right. If you are in a free time, please try up with these applications, right? Don't worry, right? It will not going to harm your device, right? So you can try with these devices, sorry, applications, right? They all are available through the internet or the online, right? If you have proper internet connection, that means you are in a global village, right? Okay. All right. Background add කරගන්න. Okay. If you want to add the background, simply click on this setting. Red setting marks once you log into the email. Right? Once you open the Gmail account with this interface, then click on this setting icon. Scroll down. Here you can see theme option. You can click on the view all option here. Right? It will provide in several background images. Right? You can select one of them and click on the save option. Or also you can use your own photo as well. Right? If you want to add your photo into the background as the backdrop, you can click on my photos and select your own picture from your device. Then click on save. Right? Clear? A ප්‍රශ්නෙට හරිනේ? Right. There is another question asking about how to add AI. Right? Simply again go to the setting. Click on see all setting option. Right? Scroll down smoothly. Right? Then stop here. You can see. Please open the grammar suggestions. Keep it as on. Spelling, keep it as on. Right? If you do the mistake in spelling, it will show you the correct spelling for that word. Right? Autocorrect option. Please keep it as on. These all are the support of AI. Right? Then Smart Compose, writing suggestions, keep it as on. Right? Okay, these are the features. These things should be open, right? Then you can, your machine or your Gmail account work with their services, right? I think that question's answer also given to you, right? Okay. Right. So, is it okay to wind up the session?
Okay, ma'am.
right, හරි. ඉවරනකන්ද බලන්න හිටියේ නෑ නේද? Right? එතකොට ඔය තමයි අද මේ session එකේ ඔයාලට cover කරන්න තියෙන part එක. Right? එතකොට under the internet and email application we covered everything, but within this given time period. right. Okay, මම කොහොමද අයියෙන් තමයි කතා කරන්නේ. ඒකට කොහොමද නින්දයක් නැතුව ඇති. Right? Right. Right. උදේ ඔයාලට interface එක පෙවුනේ නැත්තම් roughly if you can't see the interface, the HO Pro, right? Search engine. You can't see the search engine, no? Right? I think if you don't have the proper internet connection, interface will not appear properly, right? Sometimes I think that is the problem, right? Okay, right, okay. Anyway, let's wind up the session and let's meet in next week. Until that, stay safe and please go through the previous sessions and learn something from the diploma, right? Don't end this diploma, right? As with the purpose of doing examination, right? Exam එකක් කරනවා කියන අදහසෙන් diploma එක කරලා ඉවර කරන්න එපා පුතේ, අපරාධේ, right? ඒතර ඔයාලා ඇවිත් ඉන්නේ IT diploma එකක් කරන්න, right? ඒතකොට ඔයගොල්ලෝ කැපකිරීමක් කරනවා මෙතන අවුරුද්දක, right? එකෙන් ගන්න පුළුවන් උපරිම දේ අරගන්න, right? exam එක target කරගෙන ඉගෙන ගන්නවා කියන එකෙන් වෙන්නේ ඔයා පොඩි දේවල් ටිකකට කොටු වෙනවා කියන අදහස. If you learning targeting the examination, that means you miss a large amount of knowledge, right? ඒ නිසා හරියට target කරන්න එපා හරියටම exam එකමයි කියලා. right? ඔයා widely ඉගෙන ගන්නකොට exam එක කියන්නේ ඒකේ පොඩි part එකක් විතරයි. Right? Okay, keep that in mind, right? Learn something new each and every day from each and every sessions, right? So please actively participate, right? Or to the chat or unmuting your mic, right? It doesn't matter, right? So you can use his tool to communicate with us, right? Okay, thank you everyone. If you have any doubt, right, regarding the lessons or teaching styles or the materials or any kind of thing, don't hesitate. Please let us know, right? I will arrange each and everything to support you, right? Okay. Then let's meet in next week. Until that, goodbye everyone, right? Stay safe and have a nice week.
Thank you, ma'am. Good night.
Right, okay, thank you. Good night.
Good night, ma'am.